Yo, this is Dash, and I just want to talk to you guys quickly. I had somebody ask me, how do you keep food warm for your Thanksgiving family meal? In this video, I'm going to answer it and give you some definitive answers and where to get the things that you're going to need in order to keep your family's meal warm for Thanksgiving.
Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready.
All right, so I am back and I want to give you guys some information. So last week I didn't post a video because I was actually down in Florida helping my mother-in-law out. I took absolutely no video while I was in Florida, aside from the live stream I did with my buddy Travis. He has been a huge proponent and help on my channel or with my barbecue. So he helped me do a live stream. Other than that, I did not do any filming, really, while I was in Florida. That being said, one of the people or persons that came out to my mother-in-law's house to do some work on the house, actually it was a woman who was checking the propane. She's a propane heater. She was checking the propane. Well, she has a propane system for her stove and her fireplace. She was checking it. She looked at my shirt. She started asking me about barbecue and what I did and everything like that. And I told her I did catering. She said, well, maybe you can answer this question for me. I said, okay, shoot. She said, I'm going to be cooking a big meal for Thanksgiving for my family. Okay. She said, but how do I keep everything warm? I said, well, you can do a couple different things. You can use your oven. Usually you have a warmer or like a keep warm setting on your oven. Most people don't know that their bottom tray down the bottom of their oven is actually a warmer. You can put things in there for those things to stay warm, or there's a setting on your oven, quite possibly, that's like the lowest heat setting, and it is a keep warm setting. Okay, I told her about that. Second thing, I told her about the warmers or the chafing dishes and the warming racks that you can get from from Sam's or Costco, the dollar store even, and Walmart. You can get them almost anywhere. Some of the racks, the pans, and the dishes. So I'm gonna post some pictures of places where you can find these things for you guys if you're looking for them, so you'll be able to find them and have them. Unfortunately, I keep a stash of them whenever I need them, but I used the last of the ones that I had on my last event, and I don't have any right now. So unfortunately, I don't have any in hand to show you, but you have the racks. You also have the Sterno warmers. You can get an entire kit, like this kit. I believe this kit is from Sam's. And it has a few racks, a few pans, as well as warmers in there. I might even be able to find a link for some of these things for Amazon. If there are, they will be linked below for all of these things that I'm going to be mentioning and or showing you pictures of. Now, I have done videos in the past talking about chafing dishes and warming racks and things like that. So if you haven't already, please check out that video there. And then last but not least, it's just a matter of being careful when you're using the warmers. If you are using a full or a deep catering pan or like third pans that are deep, you're going to need less water in your warming tray. If you're using a half pan, you're going to need, or a shallow pan, you're going to need more water. Now, of course, the more water you put in there, those flames, those warmers do just that. They warm food. You can't take cold food like from a refrigerator and expect it to get hot in a timely manner. What you have to do is you have to take and have your food that's already warm and then put it into the warming trays or the chafing dishes in order to keep them warm. So hopefully that helps. If you are someone that needed to know how to keep food warm for Thanksgiving, or how to keep food warm for Christmas, or just how to keep food warm for a big family gathering, hopefully this video was helpful and you could get that information you needed. So thank you guys as always for watching. If you have not already, please do subscribe. I try to do some cooking videos and some catering stuff, but pandemic is still raging. Have not had many catering jobs to do. Anyway, with that being said, I really want to just say thank you guys again so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
More butter, baby.